Welcome to JD Academy. I thank every single one of you guys for coming and supporting our school. As I already was introduced, but my name is Sophia Montanaro. I will be a graduate next week. Is my graduation day. Yes, thank you so much. I can feel the love extremely in this room, and I'm just so grateful to be here, to be speaking with you guys for my experience at JD Academy. Well, I'm 19 years old. Give some credit to myself, but I give most of the credit to my admin and my teachers for giving me not only the knowledge, the wisdom, but also the guidance to make every step of my way just as easy as it could be. JD Academy, whether you're an esthetician or a cosmetologist, they give you the worth ethic that you really need to show everything you possibly can be to believe in yourself. No matter your background or where you come from, JD Academy will give you every single opportunity that you need to make your journey as successful as can be. My journey here at JD Academy has been nothing but amazing. I started here fresh out of high school. I've always been very career-oriented, but really just wanted to see how far I can really go. I want to be a fully serviced salon, and I'm really hoping to be able to do that, and JD Academy has definitely given me the knowledge to be able to do so. This is a safe place to grow, not only as a person, but for your career as well. Every student here has their passion and goal, and I feel like I've really been helped with personally mine. My goal here is to just make every client that comes in feel as beautiful when they come out. I feel like as not only women but men, but confidence is key. And just whether it's your hair, your face, your like waxing or anything like that, like we really do offer that here as students working in our salon. We work here from Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 9 to 3 working in our salon. We do everything from haircuts, color, and blonding services, and it's honestly amazing. I'm so grateful to be able to be involved in this school, and I think it's really big of a blessing to be able to come here. I feel like a lot of people forget how big of an opportunity this is. It's not only an investment in your life, but it's an investment in your future and just your whole career. I want to thank every single one of my teachers because you all have done such an amazing job to guide me through my journey here. And then, Sticky's crying. I feel like I've made a personal connection to every single one of these people here, and I come every day with the biggest smile on my face. Every day you have to come and protect your own energy because being in a school this big can be hard. You create your own path, and as Casey Tran once said, you are the writer to your own book. And that is honestly so true. If you give good energy, you will receive good energy. I come in every day on my 30 to 40-minute commute, blasting my music as loud as I can to make sure that I am my top self. I never come in here with, well, even on our bad days, because everybody has their bad days, but you can get through them. And all my teachers and my classmates have always helped me through my bad days, and I just am so grateful for that. I don't know, I can't thank these people enough because you guys just are amazing. And I hope if you're thinking of coming here or if you are just started your journey here, I congratulate you, and I really give you the best luck ever, and just always be grateful to come here. Just never take it for granted, and just always just be happy. Like, I don't know, smile and just like take every day because it goes by so fast. Okay, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for letting me here. And the next thing.